Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Innerman, the creator of the Innerman Arts channel. This is where I document my journey to become a great artist and creator in order to provide relevant information to any of you that decide to undertake a similar endeavor. I would like to welcome you back to another episode of the Character Art The Journey to Greatness series. Today's topic is all about drawing the skeletons from the side view. Now, if you enjoyed the video and or learned something from it, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss a single episode when it releases. Your decision to do any of those things will be greatly appreciated. Now, without any further ado, let us proceed to today's episode. So we're about to jump into the actual process that I used to draw the side view of the skeleton, and let's go into that right now. So I figured we'd jump right in like Corbin Blue with some skeleton drawings from the side view, guys. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So this is Innerman in edit mode, just watching the video I just did, doing a quick voiceover. Right now I'm just drawing the skull of the skeleton from the side view as well as the spine. As you can tell, the spine is like this wavy type of shape. And all you have to do is just draw in a couple of lines that are at an angle, then you can draw in the curves. I'm gonna get into that in like a few seconds after this quick voiceover. Then I'm gonna draw in the rib cage here. The rib cage for the male is a bit wider. I also just drew in the shoulder blade, like that's that little wing that's like right there. From the side view, that is. And now I'm drawing in the pelvis from the side view. And it's sort of like this, I don't know how to describe that shape, but you can see right there. And you may have also noticed I drew in the circle. That's where the femur is gonna go. That's the top part of the leg. Alright, just wrapping this up right now. And I also forgot, I forgot to tack on the sacrum and the tailbone, so I did this in this last clip. This is the first section of the skeleton that I've been practicing, and I tried to memorize this part before actually moving on to the rest of the sections that we're going to be getting into. So this section consists of the skull, the spine, and notice how the spine slopes like this. And I tried to draw, give me a second. I tried to draw some lines like this, like that. That's like the basic shape of the spine, like this. See, so once you get this, these lines down packed, you can just start curving them like so. And as Big Shaq would say, boom, you got a spine right here. And it doesn't have to be detailed, guys, because this is figure drawing here. This is not some medical, advanced, biomechanical, whatever, I don't know what I'm saying, course thing. It's figure drawing. So we got the spine, we got the rib cage, we got the shoulder blade, which is, shaped like this from the side. And we have the pelvis here, and we have part of the humerus right here. Oh, not humerus, my bad. It's part of the femur, actually. And we're going to be drawing that section in just a few seconds. So it's Innerman, and we are back in edit mode. I'm going to do a quick voiceover again. Alright, doing the second section of the skeleton. And I'm just drawing in the sternum and the collarbone right now. Those little shapes that you see on the front of the rib cage. Also drawing in the humerus, which is the upper portion of the arm. So sloping down like so. And then at this part I forgot what the radius and the ulna looks like at this angle, so I had to take a quick peek. I'm trying not to do that, but still working on it. But now I'm gonna draw in the radius and the ulna for the skeleton. Just a few lines here, and then I just draw in a square as a placeholder for the hand. Don't get into all the details of it. Here we drew in the humerus of the arm, as well as the radius and the ulna. I didn't want to go into detail of actually drawing the individual bones of the hand. Just drew a square in there for like a placeholder. I'm gonna be getting into actually drawing the hands later on as I continue to learn some more things, and I'm gonna be so excited to share it with you guys in the future. But for now, we're just drawing squares. My bad. Okay, so now let's actually move on to the third section, which is just drawing the legs. Alright, so wrapping it up with one last voiceover, drawing the third section. And by section, I just mean the different parts of the skeleton. It's nothing technical, really. Okay, so we're drawing the femur bone and the fibula and the tibia also at the side view, obviously. So we're sloping down here. And notice that the fibula is at an angle, and it's not directly straight down. Then I just draw in a placeholder for the foot. Once again, I'm gonna get into details of the toes, gonna get into that in the future. Here is the third section of the skeleton right here. Got the femur, and we got the tibia and the fibula, and I just drew in the placeholder for the feet. Not gonna get into actually drawing the individual bones. Gonna be getting into that in the future. So this part consists of the femur, tibia, the fibula, and the patella, which is this small area right here, which is basically the kneecap. And I was told that this part right here, this gap, is very important in anatomy drawing. This is what I've been learning, of course. And the reason is that it's going to be coming in handy for a bunch of different poses. I don't know why yet, because I'm still learning that. But I'm going to be happy to share that with you guys once I actually figure it out. So yeah, that's basically it. This is what I learned so far when it comes to side view. I'm going to be moving on to the third quarter view, and that's actually going to conclude the skeleton drawings. I'm going to be moving on to musculature. Probably going to be doing some skeleton drawings from different angles, get some practice in. I'll be happy to show you guys that on social media. But yeah, let's take it back to yeah, that's just about it. Let's go ahead and wrap this thing up. What I can recommend to you guys is what I've been doing personally in order to improve and in order to remember these things. Is to first draw the skeleton, the side view of the skeleton, or whatever you're drawing, at least 5 times from reference, or at least 3 times from reference. And then once you have that down packed, try and draw from your memory like a couple of times. And then keep on doing that until you actually got it memorized and you don't need a reference to draw the actual figure. Before we wrap it up, guys, just wanted to do a fun little question. In the comments section, I want to know if you watched Kids WB when you were growing up. And if so, what were some of your favorite shows? Me personally, my favorite show was Static Shock, but I'd like to hear your answer. Okay, now let's go ahead and end the video. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes today's episode of Character Art: The Journey to Greatness. I do hope you enjoyed it. Furthermore, make sure you support us on the platforms shown here. All the links can be found in the description below. Reminder, just make sure to hit that bell, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed it. It really helps out the channel. Till next time, ladies and gentlemen, this is Innerman for Innerman Arts, signing off.